This video shows how to change the user's status in the system. Navigate to User Profiles, select one or more users by ticking the box, and click the Set Status To button. From the drop-down list, choose one of the following options. Active, users can access and use the application. Note that when the status is changed to active, the system will send the user an email with a new generic password. If you want to customize the email notifications the user will receive upon a status change, you can do so in the notifications in the system settings. If a user is locked, they won't be able to log in to the application until a password is reset, either by them or an administrator. Suspended users won't be able to enter the application. However, the data and statistics of that user will be saved and visible if their account is reactivated. Inactive users cannot access the application and are excluded from any processing in the system, like they are non-existent until their profile is reactivated. Another way to change the user's status is from the user's profile. Click on the username of the user whose status you want to change, and you can find the option here. You can also permanently delete user profiles, so all data associated with this user, including report data and statistics, will be erased from the system forever. The deleted profile cannot be retrieved.